Hello.
Where you at?
Doing dumb shit. Yes, ma'am.
Beats. Come on.
Hey man, it's J Money here, man. I'm here with another vlog. And before y'all even ask, yes, what I got on is reasonable right now. You know what I'm saying? If you in Dallas or anywhere near, you know, like. Matter of fact, before me even, let me just show y'all, better than I can tell y'all. Hold on. The ice is sticking, like it's there, like. It's not even snow, like you can't even pick this up. It's stuck on the ground, you know what I'm saying? Y'all probably wondering like, oh, why you on the road, you know what I'm saying? It's like that, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired of being in the crib, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go out, I'm trying to go have fun, you know what I'm saying? A safe way. I'm a trained professional. Whatever I do, don't do what I do, because I do this for a living, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing this since a kid, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, they want me to stop at that light, and that ain't gonna happen. I'm sorry to tell you. Right? But, don't do what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? Be better than me. Y'all go in the house, get bundled up, stay in the crib, don't come outside. If I catch you outside, that's your ass. Just look at this fool, like, turn it down. It don't get no better than this. Like, it really look like an ice skating rink or something like that. Like, not a rink, but you see what I'm saying? The ice. Like, I can't even let my window down, but let me see if I can open the door. Look at it. Yeah. That's that. I hope this nigga ain't just get stuck, but that's why I'm trying to be outside, bro. Like, it's perfect weather. So I'm saying, oh, the police around here? I need to make a turn. Oh, well, good thing the light changed, but yeah. Oh, I'm tripping. Hold on, let me get off this phone. Hey, fool, I'm gonna be real honest with y'all. I just turned and got sideways, like, for real, like, you know what I'm saying? You probably would thought this was Mopar, like, and it's only Acura. You see what I'm saying? It's only Acura. But you would have thought this was Mopar. Oh, hold on, let me slow it down. You would have thought this was Mopar. The way I just got sideways. And you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying I'm an expert at this, but my brother told me, like, when you drive and you just can't get nervous, like, don't crack up. Just stay calm, you know what I'm saying? Control the wheel. And make sure you don't hit the brake. Like, when you hit the brake, that's when you start sliding, you know what I'm saying? Don't hit the brake. This twin calling right now. Let me see what she want. Yo.
Up here, you bitch.
No, I'm off there, huh?
Alright.
Wow, what's
What
up?
the fuck was you doing in the pinks, nigga?
Chilling. Somebody come get in my car. Nigga think he's so clean, like it's cold out. Mind y'all, it's cold outside, fool. Snowing. This nigga think he's so clean.
Bro, I had to come outside like this. You want me to come out? Nigga, I got boots
Look,
on.
he trying to show his shit. That's what I'm saying,
What the fuck
bro.
you got on?
Moon boots.
Okay then.
Adidas.
I got on.
I gotta watch these type of niggas, man.
Bro, I got on some regular shit. This some shit to stay warm in, nigga.
Nah, bitch. You trying to be clean. You got
hell
one jacket on.
Huh?
You got one jacket on. That's how I know he trying to be clean.
No, I'm not. I'm not trying to be clean.
Damn.
We out here in the motherfucking snow. You in Dallas, boy, this shit ain't nothing but ice. This shit ain't nothing but ice.
The moon boots. Hey, my shit cold.
Hello. Hold on, fool.
You good, fool?
Yeah, I'm straight, bro. But look at this shit, though.
Yeah, I see. That's good. You should have stood right here.
Nah, nigga, you should have stood right there. Too. I should have stood right there.
On that field.
Hell no.
But that nigga just busted. Hey, you ready to get this shit popping?
Yeah, come on, what we doing?
Oh, let me see.
This shit is going right now. Right now. Oh, yeah. We're trying to get this shit to him.
You ready, bitch?
Yeah, come on.
All right. Said you got a thing. What?
You gotta tie your shit. Hey, look. We got the bucket in the back of the car. I'm gonna show you how to bucket. Hold on. Show you how to bucket. Y'all gotta invest in some ass boots. You feel what I'm saying? Cool little ass one. You finna get stiff. Invest in the moon. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit!
Yeah, boy, you just need to go back in the house at that point.
We all good. Camera still good. We good? I'm gonna edit that part out. What's it looking like? You gonna tighten up? It look good to me.
First take. You say you ready, right? Alright, come on. Nigga funny. What you right there, boy?
My camera broke like a bitch.
For real?
Nah, okay.
Boy, I was mad as hell.
This hoe, bro. I don't give a fuck about this, though.
Whew.
Yeah, I'm finna show you that. Look, nigga. That pole came out. I came out the bucket, nigga.
Yeah.
Fuck you talking about?
What the fuck? Hey, man. That was a success, like, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now it's my turn. Hopefully, brother got the wheel. I don't feel like get busting my ass. I don't feel like get busting my ass. Busting my ass. Maybe that's what needs to happen, nigga. Come on.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Hey, man. It's my turn. My turn. Hold on now. How long? Let me get right.
Come up. When that hoe come up, you gonna have to, like, this hoe gonna slide down, so you gonna have to sit back in that hoe. You know what I'm
Bet.
saying? Like how I was. So look, fatty bitch. You gonna drop that camera.
Yeah, you know I am. Hold on. Roll the window down so I can talk to you, man. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah. Y'all get ready. Hold on tight, y'all. Sometimes y'all just gotta have fun, bro. Stop thinking so much. Just go have fun, bro. Live life, bro. Ain't no way it only snow 3 days in Dallas and niggas is outside. Niggas in the house not getting outside and shit.
Yeah.
Hey man, DJ didn't hold on that long. And I still ain't flip about this hoe, nigga. Hey man. Hey. That hoe live in the bed, fool. Let's do that. Let's get back to it. I'm trying to tell you. Hey. Come on, man. We gotta run. I can't even talk, nigga. Turn the bitch around. Let's do it. Hey, man.
Hey, that was foreign.
Hell yeah. But I wasn't gonna let go till I was finna hit that curb, though. I ain't gonna bounce. What? Hold on. Don't get out that car, nigga. Keep going. All right, let's go. Don't see y'all. When it's going outside, oh, you don't get shit. Don't worry about that, y'all. I thought I couldn't drive. I'm different. Yes, sir. Let's go see that thing. Right over with. Mama, look what I got your son out here doing. Hold on, y'all.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Gas it.
Gas it. Hit gas.
Get the gas.
And the bucket, nigga.
Like the buggy.
My turn. It started already?
Now?
It's my turn. Let me see. All right, bitch, y'all ready?
I don't want to go back. Yeah, I'm going to slid. What's that?
Ah, damn. Hey, down there. Yeah. All right,
You ready?
Yeah, come on.
Get What's going on? Oh, shit. Boy, your phone was finna fall in it up, boy.
Real niggas.
Damn, boy, you finna be under this house. You finna be...
Your phone ain't turn off.
Nigga got a whole day.
Oh shit!
You gonna be cold in the bed.
Damn, my phone tripping.
For real?
Yeah. I know it ain't you.
Alright, y'all. Hey, what are you? Last time we had a little... Let's go.
Every time, I swear I'm a nigga, it's new deal, nothing. We getting us some money, we don't care about the haters. Whatever she did with me, all love. I heard you had to pay up. I got the game as a puppy, I'm rich, salted up, I paid attention.
Hey man, say man. Hold on, let me let this window on. What's up with it? It's your boy J Money back at it with another vlog, man. Dallaska part 2. This our last day of snow, so you know what I'm saying? I gotta get outside. Get active. Yesterday that was a little, you know what I'm saying? It was a little iffy. You know what I'm saying? We had fun, but today, I'm gonna pull out that weapon, you feel me? Like, I got something for y'all, man. Today should be way more better, way more smooth, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, right now I'm headed back to DJ house. Go over there. We probably gonna have more people doing it, but I got something they don't even know I got, you know what I'm saying? We were trying to find something to use, but you know what I'm saying? If this one just fell in my hand. Or maybe I stole.
Lock his ass up. You going to jail. You going to jail.
Hey, I just made it to DJ house. Right now, I got my boots on, man. Y'all know I gotta change it. I gotta change it to the moon boots. So I'm finna do that while I'm finna do that while he coming outside. Yeah. Hopefully we finna get out there. Hey man. Hey man. This how we doing it today.
Don't go fast though, nigga. Don't go fast.
My nigga Nari finna bust his ass.
Man, no the fuck you don't.
It might smell like cigarette.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Go, nigga, go!
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Damn.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hold on. Here we go.
Go. Keep going, bro. He said, don't bounce it. Hey, stop my fucking No, he not. Stop. Bro, ain't lying. 14 degrees out here.
Alright. Alright.
Okay, them mother flip. You want Snapchat?
No.
Y'all want to eat that hoe? How you gonna yank his head off? My ears cold as
Hey,
fuck.
them boys wanna do it. I know they wanna do it.
I'm knowing. They come back down. Fuck.
He don't wanna snatch
What
that
happened?
off.
I'm done. Nigga, all that ice got in my mouth.
Why your mouth open, nigga?
Nigga, ice got in my mouth, nigga.
That kid was screaming.
Huh?
Cause he was screaming. I think bro didn't want to do
I
it.
think they wanna do it.
Give him a little test run.
Shit. Yeah.
Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who back? 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 Na 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 na.
You go.
Hey, stop. Don't go that fast with mine.
Hey, park on the side of the street just in case somebody,
Yeah.
Wait, hold on, stop.
Stop.
Nah, we making sure.
You did it for
Uh-huh,
I did it yesterday.
appreciate it.
It's fun. It's not gonna really hurt yourself. You ain't gonna hurt
Yo.
yourself.
Go, DJ. Shawnee.
You might as well could have kept straight. Keep straight. Just keep straight. Oh, he got to slow down a little bit.
Fall in the drain.
Oh!
Hold on, DJ, hold on.
That nigga feeling the drain.
Is that thing in the sewer?
He said my ass.
The hell fell in the sewer?
No.
That nigga almost fell in the sewer himself.
This one. Down here, that's where it is. That's where I'll bust him out.
Hey, we gotta get out the street.
Grab the board. Leave your body against the camera. Leave your body against the truck.
Hey, you gonna reverse? Yes, ma'am.
These two slippery over here. Hell. It's straight ice.
Yes, ma'am.
He running. He finna bust.
All right, DJ. Park on the side, nigga.
He running on the snow. He finna bust his ass.
You can't get in, nigga. DJ no truck. His ass ain't gonna know how to work that.
Who, DJ?
Hey man, it's cold in a motherfucker. This the coldest, the last day, but the coldest day, bro. My hand can't even feel my hands. Really can't do too much recording, but y'all seen that last little whatever went down, nigga. Scraped my whole side. But fuck it, we ballin'. It's back on you?
Shit.
Bullshit.
What's that?
You done?
Got a thing
Yeah,
out the
I ain't
middle
gonna
of the road.
Nah, I say you finna do that whole standing up. When the perk kick in, I'm fuck up the beat.
I've created a monster. I've created a monster.
I told you pull a slack out there, how you would've came up out there. Hoe. You're a bad motherfucker. I couldn't do that. Yeah. Come on, DJ.
My ugly ass nigga, lobster looking ass nigga.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Another day doing dumb shit, you know what I'm saying, with Jesse. You know what I'm saying? We do this dumb shit on the regular. Hold on, let me get my hand on this motherfucker. I had to get y'all right. God damn.
Whatever you want to.
Hello?
Where you at?
Doing dumb shit.
Oh my god. Okay, call me back.
Look, hold on. No, he ready.
No, I'm not.
No, he not ready. He not ready. Huh? Bet, come on.
I've created a monster.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, my nigga Jesse a pro at this shit now. Yeah. Man, this shit too easy to him. Go 40 down pound, fuck it, man. Oh shit. This shit ain't new to Jesse. Quit playing with that nigga. Finna go around the curb. Finna go around the curb. Ah, damn. Oh, yo. I'm on there. Oh, yo. Come in. That's on camera, bitch. All right, nigga. It's cold. Hold on. It's cold.
Hey, man. Say, man. probably one of the funniest things I done did in a minute. Alright. Hey man, what's up with you YouTube? It is the next day. The snow kind of melting, you know what I'm saying? I guess today might be our last day. It's getting a little hot. Sun out, you know what I'm saying? But road's still a little, you know what I'm saying, messed up. Everybody going slow. Piles of snow, you see what I'm saying? All that. Whoop-de-doo. But yeah, this might be this me wrapping up this vlog, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give me a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one. Remember, y'all always gonna be my sons and daughters. And I love y'all.
I've created a monster.